Now let's talk about more in detail about the ETL testing. So ETL testing, different phases as I already explained in the previous session. Extract means you are extracting the data from the source system. And the source systems we already discussed about can be anything else. The source systems can be your the flat files, your source systems can be your XLX file, CSV file, and once you are getting extracting the data, then you are applying the transformation. So when we talk about the transformation, this means we need to apply certain functions to confirm that data to a standard dimensional schema, and data must be the meaningable form. This is the area we are producing the work in the form of transformation. In the upcoming session, I will be explaining more in detail hands-on activities how you can transform the data. So after transforming the data, then we need to load the data, and loading the data into the data mart for consumptions. As I already given you the example in a previous session, like HR department, they are expecting their data, the sales department, they are expecting their data marts. So we are developing the different data marts. Data marts mean we are creating the different segments, and those segments in the form of data we will be presenting towards our business users so they can make their decision making. And once we load the data, then this is the area, the process, the load the data from the data marts into the cube for browsing. And this is the last step for the ETL testing, where business users they can further play around and do some their analysis for towards their business revenue creation.